friends, welcome back. This is Adrika Vadare from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, we have already learned how to raise the errors, right? But now we'll learn how to make our own errors. So here, suppose if I have a statement, print A. So A is not defined, right? If I'll run it, see, name error. Name A is not defined, right? But if I want my own error to be here instead of name error, so what can I do? So here, the only thing I have to do is, here, I can just write, wait a second, I can just write this code in a try block, and here, after that, we'll use except, and here we will raise the error, raise not defined, okay, and here we will write the name is not defined, right? Now here for not defined, we can just make a class for not defined, and as you know that we have name error here, so we can just input name error, okay. So name error is already built in class in Python, right? So here we have just inherited that class, and here we do not have to write anything, we just have to write pass, okay. Now if I run it, see, here is our not defined class, right? So here's the error thrown by not defined. But as you can see here, see, here name error is still there, right? So do you know why? Because exceptions are the errors during the execution of program, but here there this is the error that is before the execution only, right? So that's why we cannot handle it, okay. So here I just wanted to tell you how to raise our own errors. So here, let me just comment this out, and I'm telling you once again that here this error is before the program only, before the execution of program. That's why it is not an exception, and you need to handle it manually only, okay. Now here, let's take this example only. Or let me just make my own example again. So here, suppose if I have asked user for a string, so here string is equals to input, enter the value, okay. Now if string, okay, so if this string, or let's just ask for a name here, that will be more better. So name, if this name is less than 3 digits, if the length of the name is less than 3 digits, then it should throw an error, okay. So here we can, here we'll just ask, here we will just compare So if name length, if length of the name is less than 3, then it will raise an error that will be short name error. Okay, so here the name you entered is very short. Please enter a valid name. Okay, and just like this we'll define a class here, class short name, and then here we will inherit the properties of value error. And then pass. Okay, so as you can see here, we do not have any problem before the execution. So here when we will run it, enter the name. Suppose I have a name AB. See, here's the short name error. And as you can see here, there's the only one error, that is short name error. Okay, and there's no any other error because we do not have any error before the execution of program. Okay, so right, hope you are able to understand how to make our own errors. Okay, so right, that's it for today's video. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the session, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.